everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today I'll be doing some more work on Bosnport, my larger end gauge layout. This one's, as you can see, on top of my bunk bed, and yeah, I've actually got all the track ready for the second loop. And as you can see, I have got some strips of double-sided tape here ready for when I put all the track down. I've got all the points in the right spots, but I do need to take off all the spare track ties or sleepers. That's the actual word I needed. So yeah, I need to take all them off, and I also need to drill out the holes for the point motors, which I've got point motor just to make sure they will work. I will be making them slightly bigger than last time, because last time I had to re-drill some of them, but yeah, it's got a hole. But yes, what thing will I be doing this way? Yes, I'd also be doing the fiddle. You can't quite see all that well behind me, there behind me. I'll also be doing the fiddle yard as well, so that'll be all set up, but I won't be doing all the wiring. I'll just be doing all the wiring for the power to the track, but not the point motors, as that'll be a different video. But yeah, that's not going to be too hard this week. One thing I have to do, remember, is actually draw out where the point motors all the points live, so I can then work out where to drill. So I'll bring you back in a minute. Now then, here we are. I've got my craft knife ready, and I've also got a pen, and now I'm just going to work out where to place this point so I can draw around it, and then I'll be able to work out where to put the point motor like I did last time. So first things first is just take off this little sleeper, maybe not do it on that plan so I know what I'm doing next time. There we go, and a bit more reluctant to come off that one. There we go. I'm not going to fit it just yet, but I'm going to work out where it should live, and this looks like it may not quite fit there, so I'm going to have to take that off. There we go. That's better now. Right, I won't be adding the joiners yet, as I'm just drawing out where it should live. So also need to work out where the dropper wire will be for the frog. So let me just draw this out, roughly making it. Where's me? Oh wait, there it is. Also got the Pico 6-foot gauge thingy, whatever it's called, just so I can make it all nicely lined up. Don't have to be all that exact, but as long as you know where all the important things are. As you will probably need to do a little bit of wiggle room. Right, so you need. I'll say from the other side actually. Should just be about on. But yes, I'm just drawing out where the point is again and how much throw it's got. There, and the dropper wire should be just about here. So yes, I'll be doing that on all the points now, and I'll bring you back when that's done, and after I've drilled out all the holes as well, because I'm You probably won't want to see that. So yes, I'll bring you back in a few minutes. So see you in a bit. Right, as you can see, got the holes done. So I may need to make. There's actually a new one on the previous loop, but I do need to make a bit bigger. I can do that later, but yeah, it's got some there. That one needed to make it a little bit bigger as well. And over here, make sure my Sarah isn't in the way. I have actually had to do a bit of change to the track work for the fiddle yard, because it was going to look a little bit like this. However, I've then discovered that's probably a bit too ambitious, because I won't actually be able to put all the point motors in, because they'll be too tightly packed together, which was annoying. Unfortunately, since there's only 6 inches across, yeah, it's going to be a little bit packed in, and I couldn't really get them where I wanted. So yeah, so just had to do a little bit of rearranging, and yeah, I've still got 5 tracks worth of storage. This is where I discovered it'll be a bit packed in. Yeah, I've still got about 5 tracks of storage, but I'm losing. Let's get the plan here. I am losing this overflow bit here, the overflow bit here, and this is being changed to just a normal point, which is a bit further down, so that's not quite as long as it was, but I can still use that to build rakes up. But yeah, otherwise I've got all the track pieces all reused apart from the double slip, but I can probably use that in another build, so not really that much of a waste. I can probably let me have a look at this plan. No, I don't think I have a double slip anywhere else. Oh well. But yes, now I'm just going to give it a little while. So I've got all the points here, so I can start adding the wire for the frog. I'll be doing that tomorrow because I really can't be asked today. One thing which I have thought about doing, this would be for when I'm working on the point motors and fitting all them, is trying to get one of these that's 90 degrees. As you can see, I've had a little go at bending this one, mainly because since this point motor will be slightly in the way, along with these two, which are a bit too close together because I can't get the space for this one. How about fitting it that with some little adapters 3D printed? Yeah, like that, and since it's still going back and forth, it would still act as a point motor, just that it'll be fitted at a 90-degree angle. So it's got a bit more space. I think so the 3D printed adapter, I still think I need to cut the axle rod off and then make the adapter will have a 90-degree. It'll make sense at some point. But yeah, that way I can put one like that, and then they won't get in the way of each other, and hopefully one like that with maybe some wiggling room, be able to get a point motor for this one without having to get a surface mounted one, because all the surface mounted ones don't have a accessory switch, which is really annoying. All they do is just flip things back and forth, which is a bit flipping annoying. But yes, anyway, I'll bring you back when I've sorted out all the wiring for these, and yeah, then I can get around to doing all the track. So see what I'm tomorrow really. So right, here we are. I've got all the points in the right place, and also No, I don't need to do that one yet. I've also got all the fist plates in right place. Don't worry about them wires. I found out this wasn't quite powered enough, so yeah, I need to do that as well. But yes, all the points are where they're meant to be. Now I just need to get all the flexi track in. So yeah, that doesn't take me too long, hopefully. Anyway, I had a slide, so quick view of what that looks like while I'm building it, and then I just need to do all the wiring again. So yeah, let's see that. See you in a bit. Alright, as you can see, got the second loop up and running. Well, it's up, it's not running yet because I haven't done any of the wiring for it. The fiddle yard has only got the single line working at the moment, but that's not going to be all that much of a problem to do. I'll be doing that off camera. But yes, just running in one of my new locos. Yes. Quick look underneath for the wiring. You can see I've got a single main, well, I can't see there, but a single main wire going all the way through, underneath the track. I did try and make it go all the way around, but it's got a little gap about there. And I'm just using some of these clips so I can take off any damaged track or anything like that. And at the moment I'm just temporarily linking it up to a controller, but yeah, I think these are quite good. Less soldering, which is always good for me. The only soldering work I have to do is just on the track itself. Again, I still need to work on the points for this area, and also need to add some wires here just to make sure that everything can flow through nicely. I actually had some spare track left over, so I added the first set of tracks for the terminus station. Sorry. But yes, that'll be coming along in the next track build, and hopefully by then all of the track will be working. Maybe not the new bit around here, but yeah, at least I'll have some trains going around properly. Oh well. Anyway, this has been James from Gosport Railworks, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So I'll see you again next time. Bye bye now.